Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, obviously it is a very creepy and Halloween and dark look, and it is going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm so excited. This is my first Halloween. Well, no, I've done a Halloween look before. It's been a long time since I've done a Halloween makeup tutorial in my channel, so let's cut to the chase. If you want to see how Mama created this creepy Halloween makeup look, just keep on watching. Hi. Okay, so we are gonna start off by priming our eyes, which is the most important thing. Rosé all day. So we're gonna prime our eyes using the soft ochre paint pot from MAC. Then I'm just gonna blend that in. Next is we're gonna grab a red shade. Any red shade would do. This one is the Power Pigments from Makeup Geek. This is in the shade Untouchable. And this is what I'm gonna use as a transition color all over my eyes. I know I didn't set my soft ochre paint pot, but I like not setting it just because the shadows gets more intense if I don't set it. So I'm just gonna do a windshield wiper motion. Just be so messy with it. This is a Halloween look. It doesn't have to be very precise. As you can see, I'm just doing windshield wiper motions. I'm dragging the red color up to here as well. We want that red to be everywhere. Okay, now that you have your red in your eyes, that looks so cute. I'm gonna grab my Cara Beauty ES11 palette, and I'm gonna get this wine color right here, and I'm gonna grab a crease brush. You can skip this part, but I really want you to have this just because it will add a dimension on the dark aspect about this look. So go ahead and grab any wine violet, as long as it has a hint of violet in it, that will do. So this one, I'm gonna concentrate it on my crease. Blend it first on the outer V-line. Just circular motions. And then when there is not much product in your brush, you can drag it all the way to the center part of your crease. And then I'm gonna dip again a lot and apply that on the inner corners of our lids. As you can see, it's building up. I love this palette from Cara Beauty, this ES11. The matte formulas are really beautiful, and it's so blendable, easy to work with. I'm gonna go back ahead to the Untouchable and blend everything out. Next to that is go grab yourself some eyeliner, some black eyeliner. I'm gonna use this one from Hikari, and I'm just gonna apply that at the center of our lids. Any black eyeliner would do, of course, as long as it's blendable, okay? Make sure that the eyeliner that you're gonna apply is gonna be blendable. And then just apply that on the center. Create like a triangle in the center of your lids. Then I'm gonna get this black eyeshadow from the ES11 palette, and I'm gonna blend that in with a small dome brush. Make sure you set the eyeliner with the black eyeshadow so that it won't get messy when you try to blend it with the other colors later. Then I'm gonna go back to that wine color that we applied a while ago, and I'm just gonna blend the side. When you blend this, do not blend outwards like that. Always blend in so that the black will stay in the center and it won't mess with the other shades that we have in our eyes. And then go back to your crease brush without any additional product. Just blend everything out. Next is we're gonna prime our face using the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. And And then once it's kind of sticky and a little dry, I'm gonna drink my rosé. That was an hour of blending. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Macchiato. Now you can use definitely any foundation that you have as long as it is full coverage. That is covering my age and everything. I have a love and hate relationship with this foundation. It creases on my smile lines in here, but at the same time I love it because it's full coverage but very lightweight. Plus, this is a very fragrant foundation. You know the drill with that when it comes to my sinus problems. But so far, I don't know, for some reason, it doesn't bother my sinus. And also, it takes a lot of time to blend it. Since it's a very sticky foundation, it tends to dry up pretty fast. Yeah, that's one of the bad things about this foundation. Next is we're going to conceal. And I'm going to use this NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Macadamia. Next is we're going to set our concealer using the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. It's a lot of blending again. Next to that is we're going to go back again to this Untouchable pigment right here. We're going to apply it all over our lower lash area. Now this, you can drag it larger than usual since we're going to create that messy, scary look. Connect it on this end right here and drag it and connect it on the other end. Then I'm gonna go back to this violet shade right here. Again, connect it from this end, drag it all the way to the other end. Then I'm gonna get a black eyeshadow. I'm just gonna blend that almost at the center only. Next part is I want you to grab a liquid eyeliner, a black one. Then we're gonna draw a pointed triangle right here, kind of like the Joker look. I'm gonna be honest, it's pretty hard. As you can see right here, it's a little messy, but that's okay. If you correct it with a concealer and it gets a little messy, it's okay because we're gonna put eyeshadows in there later on. So we're gonna be doing the same thing on top of our eyes right here. Next is I want you to get a pencil brush and dip it again to that red shade. Apply that on the sides of the triangle that we created. And after that, we're gonna dip in again to this color right here. So that is, we're gonna go back to that black eyeshadow and we're just gonna keep this harsh line right here looking blended because you don't want harsh lines. Next to that is we're gonna bronze our face using this Morphe bronzer in the shade Debutante. Next to that is I'm gonna grab that red shade again and blend it all over the outer perimeter of our lips. And then we're gonna drag it on the sides. Then go back to the violet shade again and do the same thing but much more precise. Then go grab a black liquid lipstick and apply it on your lips. We're gonna first only follow the natural line of my lips. Then after that, get an angled brush and get a little bit of that black lipstick and create like a very sharp upward line. Then after that, we're gonna take off our baking powder. Then on the nose, we're gonna apply that same red color as well. Then a little bit of that violet on the center. And a little bit of the black. Then I'm going to highlight my cheekbones using this Glow Crush from Cara Beauty, and this is in the shade City Lights. Now what I like to do is dip my highlighting brush and then I wet the brush with one spray. Oh my gosh. Then for lashes, we're gonna use this Vegas Nay Luxe Collection. This is in the style Bronze Beauty. Then I'm gonna use my Unlashed mascara from Wonder Beauty. Last but not least, I'm gonna get one of the beads right here, this small one. Then I'm gonna apply that on the tips of the triangles. Then I top my lip with more of the Glow Crush highlighters from Cara Beauty. That's it. That completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I really am proud of myself. Girl, it was really hard creating this thing. So lesson learned that I am not going to use a liquid eyeliner to create things like this. It is so much easier using a brush because I ended up retouching the top and I used this angled brush right here and it was so much easier. So next time, definitely I'm going to use a brush to create everything. As you can see, I just added some wig and some black cape and it literally makes the look so much better. At the end of it, I didn't show you guys that I added this Glow Crush, what I put on my lips, also in my eyes, because I don't know, when I was posing and taking pictures, I feel like there was something missing on my eye, and so I added some highlighters and it actually makes the look so much better. And if you don't follow me on my Instagram, please do follow me there because Mama does lots of giveaways now. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Click the thumbs up if you did like this video and comment down below what you think. And Mama with a creepy ass mouth and a creepy ass eyes will see you on her next video. Bye!